Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch movies with Zee5 on Android TV. So first step, head over to your browser. I'm using Google. All you could do is type in Zee5, just like that, Zee5. And you see this site here, www.zee5.com global. That's the one you want. Click on the link there and it opens up. Now, when that link opens up, what you're going to need to do is toggle between home, TV shows, movies. These are the three main categories. There's also web series, but home, TV shows, movies. If you take the sandwich bar that is going to come up to the right here, you'll be able to find sports as well. So you could toggle between, that's the bar right there. These are the explore. So you could choose between TV shows, movies, web series, LOLZs, live TV, sports, or music. Those are the main categories. Whatever you choose, you'll be able to watch the content relating to those categories. And from there, let me just open back into the site. To be able to stream something, just hit on the watch button. So if I go down to a piece of content I like, maybe this one, just give it a second to load and make sure your internet connection is good before putting up Zee5. It's a streaming site, so it needs a very stable internet connection to give you high quality images and at the same time consistent footage that does not break up. So click on the watch button and you're going to begin any piece of content you want to watch. So if you found that insightful, I want you to hit that like button. I want you to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.